I don't know all the exact details, but recently one of my neighbors bought these chairs, maybe in a estate sale or a Facebook forum. Anyway, they got put into a pickup and didn't take account of being on all four casters. The chairs rolled out the back of the pickup and onto the pavement and exploded the frames inside. I've already repaired this other frame and it's time to open this up and see what's inside. Well, it's too bad that neither one of the Kroehler tags survived the accident. Kroehler Furniture made stylish and good quality frames, but they had a trademark wire drop-in spring unit that was oftentimes a failure. These wire supports would fatigue and break away. Countless times in the past, I've repaired chairs like this running webbing underneath the wire unit, but this time I'm going to do something much stronger using picture cable. I'm matching up the ends of two pieces of 30-pound picture cable. These are 19 inches long. I'll line those up and fit them into the chuck on my drill. The shanks on these spring-up nails are pretty good size, so I'm going to drill some small pilot holes. This hand anvil is one of my most valued tools. I'll drop in this hooked end here over the support wire and feed this back up through the bottom. Alright, I'll hook these back up and cinch this up into place. Alright, that's better than new.